This video showcases a smaller AquaTrigger unit measuring 17 feet wide by 1.5 feet in flood protection height. While this unit is designed for spill containment, the AquaTrigger can be scalable for width and height. Each system is engineered in width and water protection height to match the size of the opening and the required level of flood protection. This barrier is installed in a concrete leave-out where it is fully leveled and mechanically anchored. Drains are connected to the storm sewer system to manage everyday rainwater and runoff. The system is grouted around the leave-out perimeter as well as within designated internal openings to create a watertight installation. In this factory test, the incoming water overwhelms the basin, simulating a true flooding condition. Note that in this test, the unit has not yet been permanently installed or grouted, so leakage is visible at various points. In an actual installation, these will be fully sealed. As water levels rise beyond the drainage capacity, the AquaTrigger system reacts automatically, pivoting the flood barrier upward. Next, you'll see the one-touch deployment feature. The barrier can be easily opened for inspection, maintenance, or cleaning, either manually or electronically if specified. This makes routine service simple.